negative integers which are greater than minus 20. And in the second part, we need to write 4 negative integers that are less than minus 10. Let us see how to find the integers. Let us consider a number line. In part A, we have to write 4 negative integers which are greater than minus 20. Let us mark minus 20 on the number line. We know that the integers which are to the right of minus 20 are greater than minus 20. Now, let us write any 4 negative integers that are greater than minus 20. Any 4 negative integers greater than minus 20 are minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. This completes the solution of part A. In part B, we have to write 4 negative integers that are less than minus 10. Let us mark minus 10 on the number line. We have to find 4 negative integers less than minus 10. We know that on the number line, the integers which are lying to the left of minus 10 are less than minus 10. Hence, any 4 negative integers less than minus 10 are minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14. Let us write it down. Minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14. This completes the solution of the given problem.